Yeah, it did that 2003 fire too.
What?
Raining ash. Yeah, it is now literally raining ash.
Well, my windows are dirty. But that was the ash on.
It is right now. It is well, not right. Even right now, it is literally raining ash. That is ridiculous. And it is so hot right now. And gas costs a lot. And it is so dark right now, and it's like probably not even. It's like not even 7:30. And it's like really super dark. The fires are driving me crazy. And if my other friends too, like, cause we're not really supposed to be outside. And so it's like, whoa, what the heck, you know? But we have to be outside to go to our different classes. Yeah, that's about it. And it's really crazy, right now because, like, it's like, whoa. However, I did forget my flag at school today, so that's okay. Air flag. Yeah. We don't have to run tomorrow, thank God. Nobody has to run tomorrow. Or probably not next week either. And mainly because we're not supposed to do any outdoor activities. Well, that require a lot of energy. That way we don't like overexert ourselves and die. Because for some odd reason the school board just does not want to deal with a bunch of dead bodies on the Elrobley campus track. Don't know why. But we probably wouldn't die. But you know what I mean. We'll probably get overexerted or dehydrated. But either way. Yeah, it's kind of weird here. Let's go on. I'm trying to make sure I don't get too close. Oh, that's good. Okay. So, yeah, now we are at our code, trying to get all this crap off the windows. And Mom's got her shirt wet. Mom's got her shirt slightly wet.
And look on your...
sorry.
What? Look on your...
Shirt. So, yeah, it's kind of weird. Let me see here. What else? Yeah, there's a ton going on here. And, it's kind of weird because if any more fires start, we're probably not going to be able to live here. So, yeah. I mean, like, it's like super bad here now. And like, if any more fires start, like, dang. Like, if any more fires start, I'm gonna be like, you know. So it's kind of weird because if we have any more fires,
Well, like my photobug daughter isn't getting doing it.
I'm muting myself right now, talking.
I'm starting to get sick of her.